Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be talking about this this swing. It's coming from Walmart. It looks really nice. It's only $132, and currently the regular price for this is $294, and now you get it for $132. And it looks like, depending on the prices of the colors, the price varies. As you can see right here, the black color is going to cost you $189, and the brown or tan color, same price, but for the red color, it's $132. Okay, it looks really good, and it says right here, what's the name of it? Is Mainstays Zero Gravity Steel Porch Swing. It looks pretty good. I don't have it, so I don't know how durable it is. But for $132, I think it's good. Let's check out the review. The review doesn't look that great. Okay, it has 863 reviews, and it's 3.5 out of 5. So let's see. Here's what test your marriage. There's lots of parts, but fairly good instruction. We managed to not get a divorce after completed together, which took us about 2 hours. Love the finished product though. Very sturdy and comfortable. 4 stars instead of 5 because it came with some of the nuts and bolts loose in the package. Ooh, wow, that's pretty picky. Over here it's 1 star. We used the swings for maybe a total of 3 months. Neither my wife nor I are over weight limit, and we sit in it as we should. One day my wife sat in it and hear a popping noise. She tired to lean back and it wouldn't go. After getting up, realized the chair was then leaning so far forward it was hitting the ground. That's not good. More of this. This is the most recent one in June for 5 stars. This in July, 5 stars. This in June. This one too in July. So not bad. There's a many other one too, but the price range, it doesn't look as nice. There's on the wood one. Okay. I think for $132, I think it should. If you're in a need, or if you're looking for a porch swing, give it a shot. Okay. Next up is this is for the gamers out there. This is a 32-inch. Okay. 1440p Quad HD gaming monitor. Regular price for this used to be $419. Currently, you can get it for $229. And these are some of the specs that it has right here. It's a curved monitor too. I'm not into gaming, so I don't know much about this, but if you guys into gaming, for the price, I think it's hard to beat. I'll list everything in the description, so if you guys have any questions, leave the comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.